Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently. So first, you just have to open your YouTube application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So open your YouTube and actually when you open and use your YouTube application, you will automatically see different types of shorts here because it's already here on your YouTube. So if you scroll down, then probably you will see shorts and tons of shorts here. Now, you cannot really remove this easily, or there's no option on YouTube that you can see remove shorts. However, we can make a way on how to get rid of this one. So first thing to do is you have to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And then once you tap your profile, then you have to locate settings. So let me click this one first and then go or tap this gear icon or settings here and then click general. Under general, you can see here options, but I want you to look for playback in feeds. So choose whether videos play as you browse. So click this one and tap off. Now, once you turn off this change affects your data saving settings. So you can go back to your homepage or the YouTube feed. Then what you're going to do here is you have to tap these three dots on each video and then click this not interested. So you have to do this until all of these videos here on your feed remove. So video remove, video remove. Okay, so you have to do this. Now what you're going to do is to exit YouTube application and open this time again, refreshed. Then if you scroll down here, you will not see that YouTube Shorts anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.